away. We're alive. We're unhuman. Baby, we don't need no reason. Maybe we're not to say this. Maybe we'll come forever. Maybe we'll not to change us. Maybe we'll stay together. Maybe we walk away. Maybe we'll realize we're only human. Baby, we don't need no reason why. One. You have to record yourself as well.
Carry on singing then.
Why? What?
Adam's all the way back there.
What?
Because I'm Ben now.
He's officially gone nuts.
Hashtag Adam Giles. He just did the why you recorded shit.
I didn't.
You did.
We don't need no reason. Why?
I have a shadow.
You have two.
Ah, Fashion Marauder! They're coming!
Maybe three.
No, I have
Turn
one.
out the lights.
No, I have one. You can't see. You know Luke's singing.
Oh, it stinks.
No, that sounds like fish. Would you bet that we're in the harbour? You're probably wondering why children are out on this ash at night. It's because we're walking back from the fireworks.
Yeah. I'm not in time. Think they know.
We need more light.
Right now. But hey, what yeah, you always say? Straighten up, oh yeah. Stiffen up the elbow. What you crying about?
You miss
You're
your
me. Hey, I know you
miss your mum, and I know you miss your dad when I'm gone, but I'm trying to give you that life that I never had. It is sad I can send you a lot like you. Adam's being a snail, look how far he is. Luke, wait! I'm running! I said that so weirdly. How far behind you? Luke, you got to wait for Adam.